welcome to Microsoft Word Menu by Menu, a beginner's guide. We are thrilled to have you here as we embark on a journey to make Microsoft Word as easy as ABC. Microsoft Word is a versatile tool, but if you are just starting out, it can be a little daunting. That's why we have created this course specifically for beginners like you to build you a solid foundation and help you gain confidence. By the end of this course, you will not only be proficient in Microsoft Word, but you will also stand to gain a solid foundation in MS Word. We will start from the very beginning, walking you through each menu and features step by step. Please click the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Hello again, welcome. Today we are going to start by accessing Microsoft Word. To access Microsoft Word is a very simple way. Just navigate down to the Start menu, click on the Start menu, and click on the Search button, type Word. Depending on the version of the Microsoft Word you're using, for example, mine is Word 2016. Once it appears, you click on Microsoft Word and it opens. After a while, you'll be faced with Microsoft Word window. If you've done something on Microsoft Word, if you have a previous work, this is where you see the recent jobs you've typed before. But let's not get into that first. Once Microsoft Word window opens, click on blank page. It opens a blank page for you. Now, we are going to look at the features of Microsoft Word, the tabs, the interface of Microsoft Word. The topmost bar is called the title bar. The title bar. It is called the title bar because it shows you, it bears the title of the application you are working on. For instance, here where my cursor is called Word because it is Microsoft Word. Then next to it is document 1 because the job has not been saved yet. So by default, it is document 1. Then immediately below the blue bar, which is the title bar, is the menu bar. Menu bar. Then below the menu bar is the ribbons. The ribbon. All these are the ribbon. Now, the home menu has its own ribbon. The insert menu has its own ribbon. The design has its own ribbon. The layout has its own ribbon. The reference has its own ribbon. Mailings, review, and view. These are the ribbons for each and every of this menu. These are the ribbons for each and every of this menu. Then this is the file menu list. You click on the file menu, it pops out with this list. These are the things, the features of Microsoft Word. Then here we have the ruler. This is the horizontal ruler and this is the vertical ruler. Then this is the document window. Inside here is the document window. The white space here is the document window. Then to the right of my page is the scroll bar. The scroll bar, it is used for going up and down a page. Up and down a page. Then below here is the status bar. That is immediately above the taskbar. Of course, this is the taskbar. Then immediately above the taskbar is the status bar. It gives you a hint of, maybe for example, the number of pages, the number of words, and proofreading language that you are using. For instance, we are using English United States. This keyboard is set to English. The language of this MS Word is set to English United States. Okay, thank you. Let's continue in the next video.